Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can connect your iPods to your MSI laptop. So it's super simple. First, what you need to do, you need to put both earbuds or like AirPods to the case, open the case and press and hold the pairing button. So you just have to put them on a pairing mode. So it's going to be on like a white light. Thereafter, you're gonna hold it for a few seconds, and then what you need to do is go to Bluetooth, add the Bluetooth device, and while it's in the pairing mode, you just want to connect it. That's it. Super simple. So you're gonna click here Bluetooth, and you're just gonna connect it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.